Welcome, today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's just launch the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. Then now we can see that we are logging here into accounts at the same time, and now we'll try to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail app. And to do that in application, you should log out from Google account on your device, and to do that we should click here to manage accounts on this device and select one from these accounts. For example, let's log out from the first one. Just click here remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And now in Google account settings we stay only with one Gmail account, so let's go back to the Gmail app, and now we can see that in application we also stay only with one account here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.